I think they're scared of your hand.
Because you're so strong.
He's so stupid. Oh my god.
Looks like it's scary.
You're not gonna butt if you grab it.
Daddy's gonna get.
What do you want to do? You want to just buy one? Or
Just
what?
grab one. Eh. Just grab it first.
I put the feathers off.
Oh my god.
How did
That is the
that
craziest thing I've ever seen.
Come on. Daddy. Don't pinch it.
Ariel!
Pull the feathers.
Shh.
Oh my god.
They're going crazy.
No, that's just the water in the water bowl.
When he's gonna black, I think you're gonna black him. Clap down right there one time.
Oh, you let it go.
Is it but
Daddy.
quiet?
Let him calm down first.
Angel, we're trying to see if Daddy grabs it, if it bites. But if it bites, we're not buying it. Because it'll kill the other bird.
It'll what?
It might bite the other bird. Okay, that bit.